Hey everyone, I'm Carissa Chambers and I'm your 2025 State of Franklin Track Club president. Today we just wanted to make a quick video going over how to use our new website. We've gotten some questions from our members and we just wanted to go through and clear up some of the confusion on how to find some of the information on there. So we'll go ahead and get started. Over here we have our website homepage, State of Franklin Track Clubs. RunTriCities.org is the website. So to get there, we go www.runtricities.org. Here at the top, you can find the quick links to the different main pages of the site. We have our homepage, we have club information, we have our event calendar and results, and we have information about our series competitions. There's also another tab here to find information about our timing services, equipment rental, and our Hall of Fame. As you scroll on down the homepage, you can find links to our social media pages, so we definitely want you to follow us on our social media pages. Here's our Facebook profile and our Instagram. You can find information about announcements. Our next upcoming event is our board meeting on December the 2nd. You can find information there. Everybody is welcome. We'd love to have members to hear how things go from that side of the club. And you can find information about the weekly group runs from some of the other running groups in the area. We like to support running in our area, and so we want everybody to be as connected as possible. You'll find information here on the homepage as well about some of the upcoming events, as well as how to find results from the most recent events that have just happened. So we'll go ahead and click through some of our other information here at the top. So our club information, you can find information about our club in general, who we are, our mission statement, and we want you to contact us if there's any questions you have. You can find information about membership here. We have a portal that takes you to the online membership. That's a very easy way to register, and that helps to link your account to the Run sign up page so it is easier to apply the discounts. But for those that don't want to do that, we also still have the mail in membership form option too here. Other information here, this is our 2025 board, as well as the other contacts, and this is some of our series competition coordinators, some of the other positions that manage some other things about the race, such as the equipment rentals. We also have information about all the districts that we serve. Here's information about our board minutes. So every board meeting, minutes are taken. So you can go here to see what was discussed at all the different board meetings. We have our bylaws here. You can find information about the track club's scholarship program and how to apply. We have a page here for volunteer points that gets updated regularly. You can click on the link and you can see where you're at as far as the number of volunteer points you have for the year. We have information about our grant program as well and how to apply for that. As far as the event calendar and results, this is where we have all of the track club owned or timed races. So these are the upcoming races. Both of these are track club owned. You can see more races that the track club owns coming up here as well. It's all the way through April, and more could potentially be added. That is what is on the calendar as of this moment. We can see here are some of the past events. These are results of races that we have timed, whether that be ones we owned or ones that we were hired to time. And you can click and see what results for those looked like and easily scroll through. We'll go back to the track club page. Here is information about the community calendar. This is if someone requests that information about their race be added to our website. This is where another way to get to the group run page. Running resources, this is where some of the other um, running groups in the area, races they put on, as well as, races throughout the state of Tennessee, like such as the Tennessee State Parks Running Tour. Um, there's different races that we wanna promote, just so people have access to the races in the community that are in addition to the ones that we own or time. So here you can find we run events page as well as the Goose Chase. And then here are some legacy results, so from races that have occurred in years past. So, for example, if we go to 2021 and we wanna see what the results for the On the Runway 5K, what those results looked like. We'll download that, and once it downloads, you can open it here, and you can see those results. So we'll go back to our Track Club page, and we'll go over to our series competitions, which we're all excited about. We have the King and Queen series here, Mr. and Mrs. Mileage, the Long Distance series, the Trail series. And for these, you can click here to find links that take you to the current standings for those series. Our Mile series, the Fitness Walking series, the Kids Festival of Miles, and the Prince and Princess competition. Over here, we have more information about our timing services. You can find the link to the timing services application here. So that would be if you are interested in hiring the State of Franklin Track Club to time your race. Go back there. You can find information about the different timing methods that we offer. And if you have questions, you can always email one of the board members. We have a few pieces of equipment that are available for renting. And then we have our Hall of Fame, which in 2018 was the first year we um, inducted runners into that. And then every year since we have inducted more. So you can find information about just the different people and information about them. So that wraps up most of what we've gotten questions on. If there are any additional questions about navigating the website, please feel free to email us and we'd be happy to respond. But otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this, and we hope to see you at one of our events or board meetings or just supporting the running community in general. Thank you.